Hey everybody, I picked up a TV for one of our rooms and my wife wanted it wall mounted. This is the first wall mount kit I'm buying. A lot of my friends use the Cheetah brand, so I decided to give it a shot. Like I said, haven't used one before. There's many different brands of the Cheetah wall mount. The TV I got was a 39-inch, so I picked up this one, which says it's 20 to 55, and it came with a free HDMI cable, and it also came with a level. So I thought that was pretty cool. Let's open it up, see what we get here. So the one thing I was worried about is I just really went and bought it. I didn't really look at the specs too much. I was worried that it wasn't going to have the screws, but it looks like they're here. So here's the level, 3-axis level. That'll be pretty nice when mounting it. Looks like we have some pretty big screws. I don't know if those are for the TV or not. Standard installation guide. Looks like it should come. Okay, look, it comes with a whole bunch of different screws, 4, 5, 6, and 8, which is really nice. Tells you how to install it, which I'll probably just figure out on my own and not read. Let's see, everything's bagged up nice in here. So here, this is the HDMI cable. Twisted vanes. I actually use twisted vanes HDMI cables on all of my stuff. I don't have anything fancy. I don't have anything that costs a lot of money. I don't have a huge stereo receiver, but I do like the twisted vanes cables. Don't know if you guys do, but I've always enjoyed them, and they work for everything that I need. I know people who probably have very expensive things would use a higher quality cable, but for the average person I think they're fine. Look, so each of these bags are labeled with what they are. So these are K, I'll probably refer to the manual. And here's all your nuts and bolts in here. So that's up. Oh look, so it's a bag within another bag. Your lag mount, or excuse me, your sheetrock anchors. Nice size lag bolts. That should be pretty good holding it to the wall. Here's more different size washers and screws for your TV. Here's more parts of the bracket. So here's one wall piece. Yeah, this is what somebody was telling me about. It has like a little pull chain release. If you need to get your TV off the wall for some reason, you pull on this and it kind of unlocks it out of place, which is pretty nice. So it is a tilt. I guess the main bracket must sit in here, so you can tilt it, loosen it up, and tilt it forward and backward. It said it was, I think it said it was like 15 degrees to tilt. Yeah, 0 to 15 degrees forward tilt. So we'll try this out. I will mount this. Oh, look at these screws. I'm going to mount this on my wall. I'm not sure what these are for, but these must be part of the pivoting system. But my next video is when I go to install the TV on the wall. I'll try and video the entire thing so you can see how easy or how difficult it is to install this. But it can't be that hard. There's only 4 brackets. There's these 2 brackets and these 2 brackets. So I'll be back with that one. Enjoy.